Hey guys, Auntie Cami is still here in Frankfurt. This is my new home, so I'll be in Frankfurt for a long time, but we'll be visiting the US, the Philippines, and other places as it's necessary or requested to do demos. Anyway, um, the title of the series is Maximizing Usage of Your Kangen Water Device. So, question for you. Do you use all your 5 waters? One of them has 3 levels. Yes, the Kangen water drinking water is 8.5, 9.0, 9.5. That's considered one class. Then you have the 7.0, wow, called clean water. Right here is, we have the clean water. Clean water, that's 1. Beauty water, that's 2. Strong acidic water 2.5, the bottom 11.5 at the top. So that's 3 classification. Okay. And then 1, 2, 3.
Kangen water 9.5. Kangen water 9.0. Kangen water 8.5.
Then you have the different levels of the drinking water. Yes. 7.0, 6.0, the top 2.5 and 11.5. 1, 2, 3, 4, and then all the levels of the drinking water 8.5, 9.0, 9.5. Okay, do you use all of them? Do you maximize usage? In one of my clips, I showed you some materials that I use. It's good for me. I'm not sure if it's going to be good for you, but I've been using those for the last several years. Since I have them in 2016, that's about 6 years ago. And that's why my results, I'm very happy with my results, especially with the skin type. Anyway, the topic right now is when you eCLEAN, yeah, eCLEAN, right here. No, that's a pH setting. Let's go closer. I need to do this. I'm in the kitchen, so it's a little bit dark if I don't turn this thing on. But we have the eCLEAN. E-cleaning instructions. K8 is so simple when it comes to maintenance. It tells you what to do. If you need to e-clean, then you just say yes. And then it tells you step by step. Okay? So we go back. Back, back, back. We go back, back. We don't want to e-clean right now. We just did. So you have your e-cleaning instruction. When do you e-clean? I do every 2 weeks. Actually, right now, since I haven't done my deep clean for over a year, or actually almost 2 years, I'm e-cleaning every end of the week, every Saturday night, to make sure that I have the best quality water still. It doesn't, it does not excuse me from not bringing my device for total deep clean. One of these days I have to go to Dusseldorf. There's no more excuse about that. Dusseldorf, the Enagic Europe office, main office, came out with new news that we can now do express cleaning same day. You just have to call prior a few days before, how long I don't know. Give it a little time and find out if the day you want to be there you have a slot. I'm sure many people want to do that. Go in and out on same day. Okay. We have about 4 hours drive from where we are to Dusseldorf, so it's a whole day process for us. So while they're cleaning, a deep cleaning there, my husband and I would then just do something in town. Hopefully he has some business going on there, or I have a demo there, and while waiting, and then we pick it up and go. Anyway, since I haven't done that in the almost 2 years now, shame on me, shame on me. I've been e-cleaning every single weekend. But after a while, the device will tell you that's not enough anymore. And that's what's been happening. I just have a new filter. I just put it on September 10th. The new filter arrived. September 10. But, oops, where is that? I have been having residue. New filter, but I'm e-cleaning every weekend, but I have been having residue. That's kalk, we call it here in Germany. Very strong. And I already have a pre-filter, yeah, to remove that or to lessen it. That means my device needs to go clean, deep clean. So anyway, and I will include in my post a picture of what happens at the back of your device when you don't do deep clean yearly or every 8 months. Again, it depends on your usage, yeah. If you give away a lot, then you have to deep clean sooner because you're using the device a lot, okay? When you're giving a lot of water. So you see there's some residue there. When I do eCLEAN and I'm done with the 3 hours, normally we run the water, yeah? We run the water. I will not do it right now. We are not doing an eCLEAN. We run the water so that the cleaning water that you put in there goes out here and the bottom, okay? Also, what I do is collect those water. I recycle them. And you can do this at home. A lot of people use the cleaning powder from Enagic to clean their devices or their bottles or other appliances at home. Okay. I find it a waste. Unless it's really so bad, then I do. Okay. All right. But I've been very successful recycling the water that comes from the device after an eCLEAN. I collect the first 4 of these. Afterwards, it's very mild. It's not as effective anymore. What do? I put it in bottles like this because it cleans. See, there's some floating stuff, floating. That's also residue because I collect water a lot, both from the upper hose and the lower hose, because I recycle my water. I don't let any water get to waste. Like this. This has more. You can see it's clean. It was here whitish already, white. It has collected residue, hard residue. But with the recycled cleaning water that just came from my device after e-cleaning my K8, I still can clean other collectors, water containers like this one. This I will not throw away, okay? I will not reuse it. It's totally used up. So we'll do that just so you see, okay? But this one, I will still recycle it. Watch. I put it in this. Of course, I will wash my glass container, water boiler, a lot of times with 11.5, ending with beauty water. So it's all in there. You see there are particles floating, but it's still good enough. I keep it there for a few hours, let it sit here, and then clean it up. So, ladies and gentlemen, boys and girls, who said our device is expensive? They must be out of their minds. Oh, it's not here. Let's go closer. Pardon. To here. This is an SD501, and I have an SD501 also, but it says, on a daily average, how much would you estimate that your family spends on the following household products? You've seen you so close. You've seen some of the video clips already, but I'll read up to you what the device also does, okay? But let's do that in the next clip. Next one.